Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover the news and the TA about Tezos project and token. We are going to do some technical analysis of what to expect on the price action on this bear market and what strategy I am being following on here to make some swing trades. We are going to cover the project a little bit, how the ecosystem is growing, and the latest news all during July. We are going to see a lot about Tezos, so if you are not familiar with this project and you want to know a little bit about it, this will be a great point to start. And if you are already holding Tezos and you want to know what has been happening, this is your video. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, I will start with the TA of Tezos first. Remember, this is a coin that is in position 43 right now at $1.74. The all-time high for Tezos was $9.12, and the lowest that was in 3 years in December 2018 was at 35 cents. So this is not a new project. We have been here in the market since 2018. This is a consolidated layer 1 solution. So if you can go to tezos.com, you can see the website and everything about the project. I am not going to in detail into the project in this video, but you can search Tezos on my YouTube page and you will find everything that you need. So this is a weekly chart, a daily chart for Tezos, sorry. What you are seeing here is almost all the price action since 2019 here. The end of 2019 when Tezos actually really pumped it. And right now we are at the same levels that we were in 2019 at the end of 2019 in January 2020. So we are back here like many other altcoins. Tezos is doing it not really good in this bear market. We are here in October 2021 and we really plummeted down. So this violet line is a trend line that you need to keep an eye on that. We have the higher high here and lower highs all the way down here. So at least we need to break down in order to start being bullish. On the other hand, we have all these tops here. And if you can see, these trend lines are very important, the ones in yellow, because were local tops here that actually on the way down also were tops. You can see this top here was repeated here. The same happened here and here, and in this local top of February 2020 with this local top of April 2022. So these are all levels to watch, and like you can see, I have two trend lines here, horizontal trend lines. These are the most important right now. This is at almost $2. The $2 level is very important because all the support, this double bottom here, we have some resistance and support there. So right now at $1.73. I will be looking for the $2 range. If we go up here and test it on support, then the next level for me is around the $2.50. Both are very psychologically important levels. And if you go above $2.50, then the thing is really bullish, because you can see that when we get above the $2.50, we rally here 26%. Then here we rallied like 70%. Always from this level. Let me change the color of this line, so I will put it green so it's easy to see for you. Above this level we have a lot of rallies to the upside, so even if for a swing trade, if we are about $2.50, then we could have these big rallies that Tezos have in terms of price action. In a lower time frame, this is a 4-hour time frame on XTZ with USD. So you can see we are another bearish wedge. So you can see that we trend down up here, but then when we break to the downside, we created a lower low. The same is happening right now. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 tops here. Very clear, very book pattern, and 4 lows here. So you don't need to trade inside this pattern. So if we break to the upside, right now it will be at $1.90 almost. Then we are going to hit with the $2 level, and we have another line of resistance here. So this is your trade space for you, about $2 to $2.43, I would say. this is what you need to trade to the upside. And for the downside, if we break this up down line of support, then I will probably make a short position here below $1.40, because here you have some fake outs, so I will start to be below this local low. So you can short here XTC to the downside. That will be the TA in the big time frame, and also in the lower time frame. With that you can do your trades. In terms of the ecosystem, if we go to DeFi JAMA, we only have $50 million right now here on the Tezos ecosystem of TVL. It's not much, only 10 projects here are listed on the application, but of course you can see that Ethereum is at 57 billion when it had been at more than 200 billion. So everything is down here in TVL. The DeFi space is really affected on a bear market, so it's nothing to comment on that. But the ecosystem of Tezos continue growing. You can see in the website we have 91 applications or projects that are running on the blockchain, and this is only the official ones in the website. And in the latest news, we have that 3 United Nations organizations are adopting Tezos e-voting solution. This is for transparency and many good uses. So the list of UN organizations that adopted electives, which is running on Tezos. One of those is the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. That was the first UN organization to adopt the Tezos e-voting solution. Another United Nations organization that adopted the Tezos electronic voting solution is SDG7, Youth Constituency. The organization was launched to enable youth globally to have their voices heard in the energy sector. And lately, the elective voting solution has also been taped by the Women and Gender Constituency. The organization comprises 28 NGOs focused on ensuring women's voice are heard in demand for the realization of their rights and priorities. So this is great news. Official United Nations organizations adopting an application from Tezos is actually super bullish. Also, in terms of technology, Tezos announces a record of 1 million transactions per second upgrade at their TED Dev event. So this is Tezos speeding up transactions. The article is a little technical, so I will put the link on the description. But this was on the TED Dev college in Paris, France, where this was a chance for the teams and developers working on the Tezos protocol to get together, to share ideas, and hear the latest news about the protocol. Also, Tether USDT launched on Tezos during July. Now it's available on Bitfinex, and this is a great step because now Tezos will be able to be running here on Bitfinex. And the Tezos release 10th protocol update is offering multiple new features. This is also technical and is part of the monthly recapitulation that Tezos has here on the Medium article. So here you have all the ecosystem insights, improved randomness for distribution of baking rights, event login, validation pipelining, support for GhostNet, which is a permanent testnet that upgrades with mainnet. So a lot of dev updates here. And in terms of the news for the Tezos world, the Tezos dev portal gets a facelift. So now you can go and log in into the app. Also, the Chain public alphanet has been released. You can have all the links here that I will put on the description. The Tether USDT, which is live in Tezos network, which is really amazing. Also introducing the Tezos India game launchpad, and Alira becomes a corporate baker on Tezos. So these are all the events also for the test talks. You can check that and hear everything about that. And in terms of the social media, Tezos has almost 500,000 followers. So this is a big project, guys. Don't take me wrong. Even if you don't hear news about Tezos all the time, you should take advantage of this project. It's another layer 1 solution with stake protocol, but anyways. And Tezos also is really into metaverse and gaming besides DeFi, so you can check all that in the Twitter account. So what do you think about Tezos? Are you holding it? I need to be honest with you, I have some position on Tezos in spot positions since 2019, I think. I never sold them. I really don't follow too much Tezos because it's not really performing super well. And if you go to Tezos against Bitcoin, you can see the history from 2017, and we actually are really in a downtrend. So Tezos against Bitcoin has never been really good, just for some moments here on some peaks, but really it's doing it very bad against Bitcoin, so that is one of the reasons. And the other reason why I'm not buying is because we are not 10x from the all-time high right now, and if you follow my videos, you know that right now I am only buying coins that are at least 10x from the all-time high to recover that level. So that is why I'm not entering positions, but it's something that you need to check if you want to see more layer 1 solutions in the next bull run. That will be all for this video, guys. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.